Okay, today we're going to create a little chase game. Um, so I'm going to show you how to do it. What a chase game looks like is what I'm calling a chase game is right here. So when you play the game, click on the button. Every time the snowman uh, catches the snowflake, he gets a point. So if you listen, I had added a sound so he can, and so he will travel distances. He can go up and down, all the way up, all the way down, and then all the way over. Okay. All right. So let me stop my game and show us how to begin this process. So the first thing we want to do is click on Create. And then from here, you want to create your first, your backgrounds. So your first choices in your background, if you don't want the cat, you can get rid of the cat sprite. And you can pick a background first if you want. So go to Backdrops, click on your backdrops, and you can pick any backdrop you want. It can be indoor, outdoor, up in the sky, however you want it to work. Let's go with the blue sky. And then your second thing is you're going to create two things here. You're going to pick a sprite that's going to do the running around and the catching of things. And so maybe I'll have a ball as what I'm trying to catch. And then I can pick another sprite. And maybe let's say I have a person that's trying to catch it. Let's go with a flying animal here. Let's go with my dog who's running around trying to catch the ball. Okay. So once I have what I want, now I want to do my programs. So for my ball, I click on the ball. You know I have the right one because it's up here in the corner. If I want to make the ball smaller, I go to Costumes. I draw a square around it, go from the corners and drag it in. It'll make the ball smarter, which makes the game a little bit harder. Okay. Then I can go with my code for this one. The code for this one is quite simple. There's only two steps. So step number one is in the events. So when the flag is clicked, I'm going to go to my control. Forever is the word I want to use for this one. And then I'm going to go to my motions. And in my motions, I'm going to have it glide for 1 second to a random position. Okay. You can change 1 second. You can change it to a half a second. The shorter the time, the faster it moves. Okay. So I'm going to give you an example right here. If I click play, that's the pace of the ball now. Notice it goes to a random position. If I stop that and I change this to a half a second, 0.5, and then I hit the flag, watch how much faster it moves around. Okay. So that's your choice. You can go shorter or longer. So for right now, I'll leave it at 1 second. And notice it slowed down already. Okay, so that's all the program there is for the ball, just moving around to a random position.